Hello, travelers. I am staying at the Kimpton Epic in Miami, Florida for one night before a cruise in a king bedroom Waterview room. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the left of the door, we will go straight into the bathroom. Here is your toilet in a separate area. There's a sliding door here for it. And you will find a wastebasket in here as well. Coming into the main bathroom area, you will find your two sinks. On the counter, you will find two glasses, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, as well as your hand soap. And in this container is cotton balls and Q-tips. On top of the counter is two mirrors and a light. Below the counter, you'll find tissues for your nose. You'll find all of your towels, your hair dryer, and you will find toilet tissue as well. In this corner here is your bathtub, and your shower is here. Beautiful big shower. There is a step up going into the shower, so be careful. And you see that you can look right into the bedroom from here, but don't worry, there is a shade that you could bring down for more privacy. Next to the shower is this towel rack with a towel. Leaving from the bathroom, we see this door. We open up this door and this will be your closet. Here in this closet, you'll find your complimentary robes to use for your visit. You will have your complimentary umbrella, your ironing board, your iron in that corner. You have your safe here, a mat if you just want to do some yoga or work out in your room. And also above, you'll find more space for more storage, a good amount of space for storage above. Now coming into the main bedroom area, here you will find your king bed. On each side of the king bed are places where you can use for storage. There's two lamps as well. Above the bed are these reading lights on each side of the bed. Here is some additional lighting here. You would turn it off here or turn it on. Or dim it if you desire. And then we come in front of the bed, you'll find your drawers. There's three over here. And on this side, you'll find additional storage as well as your fridge. Now, when it comes to this fridge, these items are for sale. So you can probably put something a little bit here if there's some space, but these items are for sale. On top of the counter, you will find your phone. You'll find these waters here. I asked for it. They are complimentary, but they won't leave it in your room. You have to ask for it, and they can give you as many complimentary waters as possible. And here, once again, these are items you will have to buy. Here's your nice size TV. A lamp is on the desk. Now, as those are complimentary, these waters on the side of the bed are not. This Essentia is $10 in cost. So it's better for you, unless you really love Essentia, that you get the complimentary waters. Here in this corner, a little love seat, I would call it, with a table and a footrest and a lamp. And here in this corner is a table and a lamp above it as well. Now this room has a balcony, so let us go out into the balcony. This has a step up, so be careful when you're going out onto the balcony. And so this is a nice size balcony to me. I'm the only one here, but this is a nice size balcony. So as I said, it's a water view room. So you see the water in the distance, but when you look down as well, And over to the left, here's more views of the water and of Miami. Just come out here, relax, chill. There's a nice breeze flowing right now. And so I think this is a nice place. I'm going to do one more go around of the room. And there are some things I need to share with you. So don't you go anywhere. Travelers, what do you think about the room? I like the room. I think it's beautiful. I wish I could stay here for more than one night. As promised, there are some things I need to let you know. One, they do not offer airport shuttle service. So if you're coming from Miami International Airport or from Fort Lauderdale Airport, you will have to take a cab or some sort of car share service. Next, if you do not want to buy some of the things in the hotel, as I said, there's so many snacks here for purchase in the room. The water is $10. You can easily walk to a CVS and get you your snacks, get you your waters, and get you those things instead of trying to have it in the room and purchasing it for an extra cost. Three, they do offer some things complimentary. What do they offer complimentary? I was given a sheet of paper when I checked in, and so they have morning kickstart, and it says start your day off right with complimentary coffee and tea with all the accoutrements from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on weekdays and 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. on weekends in the lobby. Also, they have something called Kimpton Social. And Kimpton Social is a daily wine reception from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And it features complimentary white or rose wine handpicked by Kimpton's best sommeliers in the lobby. It's complimentary. Try to take advantage of these things because I always feel like if it's complimentary and it is quality, it is worth taking advantage of. Travelers, I hope you like this review. Can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel to be able to do more of this type of content. Also, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.